Scanning USB drive. First insert a USB pen drive into the front USB port on the machine. You will now see two options appear: Print from USB and Scan to USB. Choose Scan to External Memory Device USB. Tick the box Perform Detailed Settings if you want to change any aspect of the scanned document. For simple scanning, just insert documents into the document feeder or place onto the platen glass. Press black and white or color start keys. The document will be scanned and processed. If you require to make any changes, you can tick the box Perform Detail Settings before or once in the scan screen. Press Details tab to get more options. You can change the file name at the top of the screen. You can change color mode if you wish to scan in black and white, which can reduce file sizes considerably. If there is no color on the pages, the auto setting will change this accordingly. The resolution can be changed again. This will increase and decrease file sizes, but can give better quality. The file format can be used to change various types, including an OCR function. In the Original tab, original size can be changed if required. This function is mainly used when scanning from the platen glass. The original can be scanned as a single-sided or a double-sided document. Scan exposure can be changed to lighten or darken the scanned document. Various modes can be adapted according to your originals. Job Build will allow you to scan a large document in stages, building up the scanned document. When the first lot of originals have been scanned through the feeder, you can then load in the next section for scanning. Blank Page Skip will delete any blank pages in the scanned file. This is useful if you have a mixture of single and double-sided documents and do not wish to see the blank page in your scanned file. Other options are available in the Others tab. The Preview key will allow you to see the scanned documents on the screen prior to sending. You may be able to edit the file at this stage on the screen. Once all settings have been made, simply press the Start key and your documents will be scanned into the machine's memory and then sent on to your destination.